Good morning, guys. Guys, hi. Read it. Come on. Guys, Gabriel is up to school. Siya lang mag-isa kasi si Ate Cassie is pupunta sa doctor today. Read it, Gabe. Go. Faith
Faith is the key that opens the door to
happiness. Wow. Great job. He knows how to read, guys. How about the other one? The other one. Live.
Live every moment. Love with all your heart.
Yay! Congrats. High five.
You think I could read all of that?
Of course, because you're smart. Go.
Family rules.
Later na. It's time to go. Okay.
Try new things. Help each
All right. Bye. Bye. Love you, baby.
Keep your projects. Say I love you. And read Christmas with hugs.
Gusto niya.
Do
He loves to
your
read.
best. Be yourself.
Good job. Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
I told you I can read them all.
See you later.
I told you I can read them all.
Bye. I know you're smart. Si tatay niya lang ang maghahatid sa school, guys. Guys, I'm ready to yan lang outfit, chinelas, and then dress. And she's ready to go. She's gonna go to the doctor, guys, to get her shot kasi requirement for next school year. Kasi magjo-junior high na siya, di ba? Anyway, she styled her hair. Pretty.
I know, Tuki.
Twin.
Yeah.
So, after this, you ready? Han?
No.
No? Okay. So, guys, after this, we're gonna drop her off to school and then, we're gonna
You like
Look.
my hair?
we're gonna go to the store probably because we need egg and milk. So, pakita natin sa inyo yung ating full outfit. It's the one that I showed you the other time, remember? I bought this from Ross.
Yeah.
It's actually cute.
It's giving beachy.
Beachy? Not B-I-T-C-H.
Yeah, actually, yeah, it's giving boss. But I'm kidding.
Yes, so anyway, guys, yeah, ang mura lang nito, guys. And actually, I love the fit. Gustong-gusto ko yung fit niya. Tara na, let's go. Dami pa jeep ka.
A few moments later.
At dito na kami, guys. Ayan. So, dyan po yung primary doctor nila, Cassandra, Kent, and Gabriel. Whole building yan, guys. Anyway, tara, pasok tayo. Let's go. Yeah. Ayan, oh. Dr. Akhil Sharma. Harap, guys. Pasok tayo. Bawal ang camera sa loob.
Spots in
A few moments later.
Guys, done with her shot. Show me your arm.
Why?
Where's your arm? How many shots did you get?
I got one.
Oh, only one. Okay, go inside. Alright, guys. So, ihatid na namin siya sa school, guys. One shot lang naman. And then, baka punta kami sa store. Let's go. Nandito na kami, guys. Maybe... Oh, we still have bread. Maybe your bread? Just one bread. So, kunin natin to, guys. And kumain din kami ng orange. Kasi, the little... Kasi wala nito si Gabriel last time, guys. So, let's get this. Maganda kasi ang brand nito. That's why. Pumili kami nito. Ayan. Kasi, ito na lang yung dinner. This will be the kids' dinner.
theater?
Yes, because I think I have rice there. Ayan. Favorite niya ito, guys. Kasi very
like this
easy meal.
one.
I-microwave lang yan siya.
This
Ayan.
one's only $3.
This one?
And
Are,
it's good, and it's pretty good.
are this on sale or no?
No, but
Guys, bili tayo ng snacks. Ayan. Isa lang. And one of this one. Para sa school naman. Or snack ng mga bata. Yeah, maybe just grab one of those and that's about it. Ito lang so far binili namin, guys. Lang yun naman kasi meron pa kaming stock. Guys, bilihin natin to. See, he loves this one. Like, i-dip nyo kasi yan siya sa cheese. Meron yun siyang, parang siyang stick bread. Ayan. Dalawa. Let's get 2. Kasama ko. Okay, let's go and we're out of here. Tapos, lalayas na kami guys. Nakakalo tayo ngayon. So, tara guys, let's go. Guys, bahay na kami. So, hindi na ako nag-haul kasi nga, medyo marami-rami. Hindi naman super marami, pero syempre, maubos yung oras natin sa pag-haul. Ano lang naman yung binili namin, guys? Like, mga, like chicken, chips, mga snacks for the kiddos. Ano naman. Anyway, ito yung kainin natin brunch na, guys, kasi time check, it's already like 11:57. So, gutom na po ako, no? I haven't eaten anything since the morning. Just coffee. Tapos, guys, before we left for store, gumawa na ako nito. It's like meat inside. Ayan siya. Meron po siyang steak. Meron siya dyang mga onion and tomato and some green onions. And then, ito yung bread. Giganyan ko lang siya, guys. Gifold para siya magmukhang tacos. About Cassandra's appointment, yun, nakakuha na siya ng shots. Kasi it's very important for the next school year na meron siyang shot na gano'n. Required kasi. So, I had to get it early para naman meron talagang slot. And another thing, yung problema sa kanya is yung ears niya. Kasi siguro maraming ng wax ba kasi hindi nalilinisan. Tumigas na siya and I don't wanna touch it. Yun ang sabi ko sa doktor. Ang sabi naman ng doktor, ito one thing na learn ko para madali lang siyang mag-melt down yung wax pala. Hydroperoxide, yung 3% lang. And mix mo lang daw with water. And then, parang i-drop lang siya sa ears. Yun, mag-melt na daw yung, in couple minutes siguro. I don't know. But, we're gonna try it out, guys. Kasi meron kaming mga stuff. Or oil daw. Kasi madali lang naman. Because I told the doctor, kasi delikado, guys. Delikado talaga na, yung, kung ako siguro ang maglilinis sa kanya, ipupush ko talagang kunin. Kasi matigas di ba? And I didn't know na, yan pala ang dapat gamitin. Matigas siya. So, I learned from that. Kaya, hindi ko talaga siya tinuloy kasi nasasaktan siya. Tapos, mahirap na delikado. Baka masira yung kanyang ears. Anyway, kain lang muna tayo. By the way, guys, si asawa, andun na sa school, nag-aantay na mag-pick up ng mga bata.
The Blue Jays at the Red Sox. You were
Gabe,
on the Yankees.
where you going, Koy? Huh? Oh, nothing.
Don't
I-
mess this up.
What about this sock? Cuz, is this your cheer sock? Make sure you don't lose that.
Okay, we have to wear black leggings and our shirts.
Mom, look.
So, you want wings for dinner?
Wings?
Chicken wings.
Ay, Tamar.
Yeah, get it.
What's
Good
that
ones?
one's dish? Bigoal or something?
The same wings? The little, no meat wings?
Yeah. Hi guys. Kagigising lang natin. Kasi nagtrabaho po tayo kanina, no? So, pagkarating ko, nagnap agad ako. Anyway, maglaba tayo, guys. Why you adding that, Kent?
What?
You're adding that? You can. It's up to you.
Can I have rice?
Yeah, you can.
Or is it with already rice?
A very little rice.
He broke my fan.
There's no more rice.
That's good because I'm gonna make a good one. Anyway.
I'll just eat it all.
Oh yeah, just take it all. So, nag-work pala ako guys maaga, no? 6 a.m. So, maaga po tayong nagtrabaho. As usual, 30 minutes early tayo. Charot. Ngayon, pagkarating ko, natulog po ako. Nag-nap ako kasi, wala lang, inantok ako at pagod na pagod ako. Now, time check. Yeah. Ayan o. Alas 3:55. So, let's cook na. Magluto na tayo. Guys, ako lang ba yung maraming labahan every week? Kasi nga, we're a family of 5, no? So, talagang maraming labahan. Ayan na po. No? Actually, itong labahan na ito, guys, is only for me, for asawa, and for my bunso. Kasi si Cassandra, meron din siyang laundry basket sa kwarto niya. And she does her own laundry. Same thing with kuya. Ay, nalabhan na yung white, guys. So, maglaba pala ako, guys, while nagtuto ako ng meat. Alam nyo na, guys, kailangan natin turuan ang ating mga anak na maging independent. Siyempre, no, malalaki na sila. Kailangan nila know how to cook a little bit. Kasi si kuya alam na paano magluto ng eggs, paano magluto ng noodles, mga simple stuff, basic stuff, paano magluto ng rice. Talagang hindi sila gugutumin ba? So anyway, pati si ate kasi marunong na din siya kasi we to teach them. Kasi mas maganda yan, may alam ang mga bagets, di ba? Para hindi na lang asa ng asa sa atin. Anyway, so maglaba muna ako, everyone. Nasalang ko na ang aking dapat isalang. Alam niyo ba, nag-invest ako para sa akong sarili, guys. Look. Ayan. Necklace lang naman at saka earrings. I had this before. Long time ago, but I had to let it go kasi I think that time kailangan ko siguro ng extra kasi meron ata akong project that time. But anyway, so what do you think? Diba? Anyway, yes, kailangan din natin mag-invest sa ating sarili and I'm so happy. Kaya lang, hindi masyadong malaki yung necklace. Alam mo naman, medyo, mas bet ko yung medyo malaki-laki. But anyway, tara guys. Hatid naman natin ang ating, basket. Ang mga Jonakis, oh, nandito guys, oh. Siyempre, ang cheerleader natin guys, nandun guys. Pa-electric pan. That's a cute.
Hot.
That's a cute fan.
It's dead.
That's from Philippines, guys. I think Mama Inday bought that for them. Anyway. Hindi ako makapag-decide kung anong lulutuin. Hindi ako makapag-decide kung anong lulutuin ko ngayon. Basta si asawa, sabi niya, guys, where's the throw pillow in here?
Okay, bro.
You put it back? Guys, so I decided fries at saka pizza yung sa mga bagets. Ganito siya na fries, guys. Season na siya. And then, pizza. Dalawang pizza ang lulutuin natin. Para madalian. Pagod kasi ako for today's video, guys. Kaya, hindi natin ito pwede lutuin lahat dahil, alam niyo na, pinapainit ko lang yung oven, guys. So, ito na yung pizza, guys. Nalagay ko na yung french fries. Ito yung pizza. Isa pa lang. Yung isa, this is pepperoni flavor. Diba? Ngayon ko lang natututunan ang mga ganito. Nung nasa Amerika na ako, guys. May mga ready to eat na pala ng mga pagkain. Siyempre, hello. Sa Pinas noon, siguro mahal to, guys. Kaya, hindi namin pinapansin, no? Kasi, pang mayaman, siguro to na aisle. Yan siya. And then yung isa is Hawaiian flavor. La 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 la. So ang dali-dali lang niya lutuin. 11 to 13 minutes. Ito ang kanyang itsura. Tadang. Pepperoni pizza pala to, guys. Ito talaga yung pinakaayaw ko na flavor. Sa totoo lang. Yan siya. Tuin na natin. Ayan na yung ating french fries, guys. Ayan. Oh, yun na yung fries. Ilagay natin sa ilalim, guys, no, para medyo ano pa ng konti ba, maluto ng konti. Tapos, ilagay na po natin itong pizza. Ayan, saglit lang yun, guys. Ito na yun, guys. 15 minutes siguro. Ayan na. Oh.
A few moments later.
Good evening, guys. Anyway, time check. It's already 7:40 na ng gabi, guys. So, I changed into my pajama na. As you noticed, pa-sleeveless na ako. Kasi, hindi na po siya mainit, no? Anyway. So, meron akong i-checka ha. Kasi meron kaming isang cellphone na wala siyang SIM card. In short, wala siyang I don't know. Hindi ko na lang i-check. Hindi ko na lang ituloy ang pag-checka because I don't think it's good to check it. But anyway. Yes, so, meron akong na-discover sa cellphone and I had to talk with my children about it kasi I think they're still young pa about it. But anyway, it's not really a big deal. Kaya nakita ko lang siya sa history kasi. Anyway. So, nakakain na pala ang lahat, everyone, no? Ito nga pala yung isa pang pizza, guys, na niluto ko. It's bacon flavor po ito. Yan siya. Bali, masarap siya, guys. But I only had one. Kasi nga, syempre, alam niyo na. Over yung calories niya. In fairness, masarap siya. Kung pwede lang sana kumain pa ng bongga, no? But, I had to control myself. Anyway. So, yun lang muna for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Nadilim na tuloy. I'm sorry. Kasi magpapak pa po ako ng mga orders, no? Kasi meron akong mga orders. Kaya, bye for now, guys.